to Learning Equinox. In our video on banking literacy, so far we've discussed upon cheques. Today we shall focus this discussion on electronic ways of making payment. If you've not watched the videos on various types of cheques and how to do a stop cheque or cancel a cheque, I shall leave the link of these videos in the iCard here as well as in the playlist link here in the description box for you to watch it. If you find this educative and informative, do stay tuned by subscribing to our channel at Learning Equinox and do not forget to hit on to the bell notification to get notified every single time we upload our videos. You can also stay connected with us on our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram to stay connected with the latest at Learning Equinox. Watch this video till the end to understand the difference between RTGS, NEFT, UPI and IMPS modes of payment. So, let's get started now. Before we deep dive into these different modes, let us appreciate the fact that electronic banking has evolved and in recent times, we've seen a good use of this. This has been possible because of the core banking system used as a standard system for all banks. Core banking enables banks and bank branches to assign an IFSC code. RTGS and NEFT happen with this unique reference called as the IFSC, that's the Indian Financial System Code. This code is assigned by RBI. IFSC is an 11-digit alphanumeric unique code given to each branch location. Here, the first 4 alphabets indicate the identity of the bank. The 5th character of the code is a 0 in the beginning. It is used to save for future uses. The next remaining 6 numerical indicates the branch. So now let us understand each mode of payment one by one. Firstly, we shall talk about NEFT. NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer. Here, using this facility, one can transfer across the nation and one-way cross-border transactions from India to Nepal. Using NEFT, you can transfer online any amount. You need to register the payee into your internet banking for this. All you need here are the account details of the party you wish to send the money. These include the account name, the account number, the bank name, bank branch, the type of account, and the IFSC code. Once registered, you get an activation code and then you can go ahead and make the payment to that account at any given point of time. Some banks' internet banking sites also allow to make small payments without registering the payee. This is generally if you have the above details and want to just make a one-time payment, which is generally below Rs 10,000, you can do an NEFT without registering the payee at your end. However, the above details are a must, like the account number, the account name, bank details and the IFSC code. This brings us to the next type, that is the RTGS. RTGS is real-time gross settlement. As the name suggests, it is real-time, which means processing the instructions at the time they are received. For RTGS, there is a minimum amount you wish to remit has to be Rs 2 lakhs. To do any RTGS, same like NEFT, you will need the details of the payee like account name, account number, bank name, bank branch, the type of account and the IFSC code. Both NEFT and RTGS can be done through internet banking or even by filling up a form for RTGS and NEFT at the bank branch. The only difference here is that you will have to give both the details, that is yours, that is the payer and the payee, into the form and the details of the requested amount. The action will then get executed by the branch official as per given instructions by you to your banker. Now let us move to the other mode which is more popular in today's times. Yes, I am referring to IMPS, which is Immediate Payment Service. Through this mode, you can transfer any amount to anyone across with a mobile phone using the IFSC code. The IMPS facility is available 24/7 throughout the year, including bank holidays. While RTGS and NEFT are processes through clearing houses, IMPS is managed by NPCI, that is your National Payment Corporation of India. The next most commonly used method in today's times is UPI, which is Unified Payment Interface. Here you do not need the bank details of the payee, just their virtual address is required. The virtual address is generally the mobile number specific. So make sure you have a registered mobile number with your bank to make use of this facility. With the help of this virtual address, the payer can send and receive money from multiple banks and prepaid users. The account holder does not require any specific app to transact. Again, this service is run on IMPS mode, so it is available 24/7, 365 days of the year. These online modes have made life easy for all of us. Let us appreciate the benefits of this. These online modes facilitate us to shop and buy goods and services, make payment across different parts of the country anytime, anywhere, just by the use of our mobile phone. Banking has of lately become so simple with the mobile. Be it online booking or payment execution, banking transactions are just getting simpler by the day. These also come with certain amount of risk. We must be aware of internet and online frauds too at the same time. It's important to keep our mobile apps and internet banking passwords and user ID in our safe custody. We should never share it with anyone. The OTP received for confirmation and execution of transactions are for our safety, and therefore we must make sure that we never share this with anyone. These are a few precautions we must take to make sure that we do not fall a prey of fraudsters. So that's all for our video today. Hope you liked it. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learning Equinox. In our subsequent videos on banking literacy, we shall be looking at the different liability and asset products of banks. We shall understand the significance of CASA as well as understand a bit more about NPAs. So lots more coming on the other side. For this, you need to say subscribe to Learning Equinox and hit on the bell notification so that you get notified every single time we upload our videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.